Hello students, hope all are in good health. As you know, lockdown is going on and this is the only solution to prevent this pandemic going on. Bas only keep faith in God and be with your best friends, that is your books. Improve your reading habits, make notes, practice all the chemical reactions. This is the only way to learn the chemistry. Now let us begin. Icse Class 9 Chemistry, Chapter 2. And we follow book Concise Chemistry. And the topic is types of chemical reaction. In this topic, we'll do different types of reactions, chemical reactions. That is direct combination, which is also known as synthesis reaction. Then decomposition, displacement reaction and double decomposition reaction. Direct combination reaction, as you see, this is a reaction in which reactant combines to give a product. These reactant may be two or more substances combined together to give a single substance. Let me show you the example. Here you can see carbon reacts with oxygen, and this reaction you can see takes place in the presence of heat. Here carbon, which is a solid, oxygen, which is a gas, and these two reactants are the two single elements which when combined it forms a compound, that is carbon dioxide, which is a gas. And you can see here large amount of heat also releases. So whenever there is a release of heat is there, this kind of reaction is known as the exothermic reaction. Another example, here you can see one compound reacts with one element. Carbon monoxide, which is a gas, reacts with oxygen, an element which is also a gas. These two gases combines together to form another gas, that is product form is a gas, and that product is carbon dioxide. So in this reactions you can see the direct combination, that is two elements combining to form a compound, or compound and element combine to form a new compound. And now see the third reaction. Here you can see ammonia, which is a compound, hydrogen chloride, which is also a compound. Both the gases when combined together it gives ammonium chloride, which is a gas. Here let me tell you one important thing. In ICSE, how the questions will be there. They can ask the question like, write a balanced chemical reaction when two gases combines to form a gas. Write a chemical reaction where two gases combine to form a gas. So this example you can write, because ammonia is a gas, hydrogen chloride is a gas which combines and gives ammonium chloride, which is also a gas. So ammonia, the formula for ammonia is NH3, hydrogen chloride is HCl, and it gives ammonium chloride NH4Cl. Now see another example. Calcium oxide, which is a solid, when it reacts with water, which is a liquid. So these are the two different compounds. When two different compounds combines together forming a single product, that is calcium hydroxide. So this is another example of the direct combination reaction. So many other examples are given in your book also. You can follow your book. Why I am telling you to follow your book? Dear friends, at present, as you know, how crucial the time period is going on. So have faith, be confident, don't lose hope. Find your best friend in your books. Go through your books, read it, make notes, and this will help you to utilize your time in a best way. So so many reactions are given on page number 24 in your book. So please do all those reactions, write it and practice it. Similarly, there are some experiments also done in this chapter. Experiment based questions are also there. And to do these experiment based questions, don't forget to do your chapter 9 in your book. It is given at the end of your book. In this, there are two experiments we will do. First experiment is Side by side I will tell you how the reactions will come, how the question in the question paper, how the questions will be asked. So please pay attention here. Just listen to the topic very carefully, because I am going to tell you how the equations, how the questions will be asked in the question paper that you have to do. So in this experiment, you can see lead sulfide, which is a black color solids compound. When it reacts with oxygen, when it is heated with oxygen, it gives lead sulfate, and lead sulfate is a white solid. So in the exam, the question can be write a balanced equation when lead sulfide reacts with oxygen. Another question they can ask, write the observation, write your observation when black lead sulfide reacts with oxygen. So that time your answer will be white color lead sulfate will formed. See another example, here one element, magnesium. When it burns with oxygen, it gives magnesium oxide. So here two elements combining together forms a compound magnesium oxide. And here the observation is dazzling white light. It means this magnesium, element magnesium, it is a magnesium ribbon. When it burns with oxygen, it forms magnesium oxide. The compound formed is magnesium oxide, and the observation here is dazzling white light. So whenever you do the reactions, just to see the element is a gas or solid, always pay concentration whenever you are writing the equation. Do focus there and do focus the observation written in the book. I am showing you the some example. Many more examples are given in the book. So don't miss it. Do it properly. So these